The analogy that we have is the pearl in the oyster. So basically, all the buildings around it are big, heavy masonry brick buildings. That's the oyster, obviously, and our building is this kind of glowing pearl in the middle of that. So it's the yin and yang. One thing is soft, the other thing is hard. Yes, it's a simple metaphor, but actually it worked quite well in terms of what the island was in terms of this multitude of colourful buildings and this very, very simple, elegant kind of pearl in the middle of all of that. So yeah, it worked well.
From NA Curtain Walls perspective, we've only been a kind of design, supply and installation subcontractor for a relatively short period of time now, probably 4 or 5 years. So for us to be considered or even recognised for an award linked to a building of this kind of prestige and an award that's backed by a company of Schüco's kind of size and presence in the market, I think is a great accolade for us, and it's recognition for the team at NA and also something we can all be proud of. So yeah, fantastic.
What strikes you about this project is the scale of the glass, the necessity for the use of steel to achieve the spans. Quite clearly a lot of structural gymnastics going on and a lot of very clever calculations to make the whole design work. Clearly steel was the necessity in terms of the curtain walling system, but then everything in its composition, how everything thereafter comes together, and the necessity of the scale to achieve that particular project, which was a large scale looking facade. So smaller grid, smaller glass wouldn't have given the project the kudos and done it justice.
Because it's Schüco, and again, because it's quality, there's a kind of comfort that you get that you kind of manage to, within a very, very tight budget, squeeze these top-end windows into your building. There's a real satisfaction about that and a comfort that you have that it's not going to go awry because it is Schüco.